In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add multiple chats to Restream Chat. First of all, go to your Restream and after signing into your account, select the Home tab and here, click on Channels and click on Add Channels. Now, connect every platform you want to monitor like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Kick, Twitter, X, etc. etc. Authorize each platform to Restream Chat can access messages. So here I've already added some channels. So I'm just turning on my Twitch account and Kick account and then clicking on close. Now we have to start a new stream. So clicking on new stream and here I'm selecting Restream Studio. From your Restream Studio dashboard, click on these add channels. And now from here you have to go ahead and enable channels where you want to start live stream. So in my case I'm turning on Twitch and my Kick account and clicking on close. And then I'm clicking on go live. Once the live successfully started, I'm going to my Twitch and Kick account live stream manager. As you can see on my Kick, I've successfully started a live stream and my Twitch, my live stream update. Now let's send some random messages on my Twitch and from my Kick account. And now to see these multiple chats from my Restream, I'm going back to my Restream and in this right hand menu, I'm clicking on chat. And here, as you can see, I can now read my multiple platform chats in this chat box. And if you want to check individual chat, you can just click on this Restream arrow. And here you can select individual platform or channels to check messages just like this. Thanks for watching.